Hello guys, today I wanna do Skechers haul. We both were in store and I filming now small haul what we got in store. Skechers store, that's what I mean. My microphone to hanging on this blouse, but oh well. So it was, I got 3 pairs and sandals. And they give you a normal tote or such backpacks, which is also nice because then you can carry on for some walks, and they have small straps which you can then close like that. So let's show you which shoes I've got. First pair I've got is on sale because they had we went to physical store and it was normal sales, normal shoes, and it was sales. So first pair I've got on sale is this kinds. It looks like this. They were $35 and they are black here and they have white and bluish here, and it says Skechers Air Cooled Memory Foam Relaxed Fit. So here it says inside. Can you see? So yeah, they have that Skechers Relax Fit Air Cooled Memory Foam. These ones are not slip-ins, they have this kind of, see, they have this kind of back and here pull tab, and they are very nice. Black, which is good because they will be not getting dirty. And seems like we have nice those Deluxe Walker 20 model Deluxe Walker 20. I had to restart camera because when I touch the screen then it's spot focus instead of focus on my face. Now it's focused on my face and eyes. So yeah, that's how they look. I really like them. We'll try them on at the end. Second pair I've got is also on sale, and they looks like this. But these ones were women, I think. Yeah, but these ones are men version and they looks like this. They were on sale also. Skechers Go Walk number 7. And I like versions for men because they are more wide and more comfortable, and these ones are maybe not super cool. I don't know if that color for women is nice, but they were super comfortable. They have this kind of interesting sole with those round pillars. It says Go Walk, Skechers Go Walk, and they have inside it says Skechers Air Cooled Goga Mat, designed in Los Angeles. And this part is also very nice and squishy, and here we have such squishy parts sticking out. And inside it says Air Cooled Goga Mat. Yeah, they are very comfortable, and it says Hyper Pillars here on the sole. Yeah. Then I've got another Skechers, but these ones are sandals on clearance. $22. No, 25 or 20. Size 10 women. Looks like this. Very nice. I like it. They are from fabric, not from leather. So here it says letter S. This part is very nice and foamy, this one. When you press, it's going down, so which is very comfortable. Here we have some kind of this kind of sole, which is also nice. Here, nice design. And it says Skechers Goga Mat they have. Size 10, but women. And inside this part, we have nice flowers. So yeah, that's sandals. Next thing I've got, which are last ones, these were not on sale. They are in box. It says Skechers hands-free slip-ins, designed to slip on hands-free, just step in and go. Air-cooled Goga mat insole, high rebound, breathable cushioning, no more bending, designed to provide natural momentum with every step. Glide step design, compression comfort. But these ones are actually also a men version, because I try on women ones and they were super narrow. And I don't think they had my size in women. And yeah, that was issue too. And these are men's, but 9.5. Price 105. Outlet price, because we were in outlet. So they look like this. I like black ones, sneakers too. So, and what I like in them is that they very comfortable. So it looks like this. So look guys, it says Skechers slip-ins. Yeah. And they have Skechers Go Run here, it says. Then it says slip-ins. So this part, let's remove inside of this. So this part they have hands-free, and it says Skechers slip-ins. And here is very hard part. That's why you can slip into them. And Goodyear sole, that's good. Goodyear. And yeah, very nice. 9.5 in men. But I like comfortable and more wide ones, because it will be like women too, but wider. They have nice strings, forgot, laces. Here laces, nice. Very nice, yeah. Oh, and the sole is interesting, look guys. It has that holes here. That's why they are more comfortable, because all sole like going down a little bit, like it's see-through, and that holes are going through. And also they have at the end this kind of pull tab with letter S, and here it says Max Cushion. Let's try them on. Yeah, these ones are very comfortable. Yeah, the man ones. Front looks like this. On the side way looks like this. Like so. Very cushioning, bouncy. Let's try on another ones. These ones. These ones are nice too. Looks like this. Home the video is in focus. Let's try them on. Actually, these ones, you don't have to regulate the laces, because they are like the laces are built in. They are like, you don't have to do anything, and they are like gum, see, flexible, elastic, and they looks like this. Comfortable too. Sandals looks like this. Very comfortable, good for summer. Summer walks, summer trips. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.